Good morning, roadies. What we got today? We got a GE ECM Motor 2.3. Wow. Well, let's tear it down. See why we found this thing and and this motor sometimes was working, sometimes was not working, and we finally decided to replace the motor. And I brought it with me. Usually somebody else did the job, and the tech know that I like to take stuff apart. So he said, "Hey, listen, I got a CM motor. You want it?" I said, "Yeah, I'll take it apart." Because I don't run too many jobs with the ECM motors. We have it though, but not that many. So let's do that. Let's tear this thing down and find out what we found over here. Let me see if I get it right. Yeah, okay. Take this thing down and find out. It's only two screws here, right? Yeah, one over here. Take this thing down here. I thought that screw go all the way to the other end, but it's not. It's end over here. Small screw, and let's take this baby apart and find out. I see people repairing this thing. Like they say you could rebuild it. Well, maybe I could fix it and use it as a backup. Sometimes it's nice to have a backup. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what we got over here. You guys see? Let me see if I could fix this thing so you guys could see better over here. Let me see. Okay. Now we only got the we only got the plug over here. Let's take this plug out. Let's see. So we disconnect the motor. Real small motor over here. You can see just by moving the shaft. I don't know if you could hear that noise. It's making a weird noise, so yeah. I think the bearing is it's making a weird noise inside there. Probably the bearing is bad. Okay, so I don't see anything now. Let's look over here. They put this white stuff over here. Let's see what I did. I don't know. This is like a silicone over here. They drop this thing over here, and they put some over here so they don't touch over here and over here in the back over here. I don't know. I gotta look it up. See if we could troubleshoot this thing. See if we could troubleshoot and find out, see if it is any good. I gotta look into that. I forgot the last time that I worked with one of those things. Usually my company, when something like that go bad, they just replace the whole thing. They don't even bother to, oh, it's just the motor. Oh, it's just the motor. They don't, they just, they don't, you need the motor, you get the whole thing. Which I understand too, because you pay all the money, and then 2 months down the road, guess what? The motor go, you're gonna end up replacing the whole thing for free again. So that's why from the get go, say, go bad, just replace the whole thing. Corporate point of view, and this is the whole style. I don't see anything. The capacitor, they're together. You see, I don't see any leakage. The capacitor together, and this part over here, this is what I believe you could buy. This this part over here sometime break. No wonder if I could take this thing off. Let's take this plate off. I'm afraid if I take it out, I'm not gonna be able to put it back. I was wondering if I could rip the whole thing off and look behind for any sign of burning or something. Cause I think I saw in YouTube somebody replaced this part over here. This I forgot the name. How the transistor. No, it's not a transition. It's I forgot what they called this part over here. I just get up, and they do sell the kit for that. Anyway, let's take it apart and look at the other side. See, well, we got two loops, right? I don't have one of these in my house. Yeah, I don't even gonna put this thing in somebody else's house either. So I just take it apart. It gets you out of the jam, It was to understand. You run to a job and it's like a 10 below zero, and you don't have the part in your truck. It could get you out of the jam just for that night, So I'm gonna unscrew this. They got two screws here. I might be able to pop this thing out. All right, so let's see. Okay, this one's out. Gotta make sure it goes well. You cannot screw it up in this one because they got the slot there. It's only one way you're gonna go with this. So stick this one over here too. And hopefully slide right out. And maybe we could look in the back for any sign of. It seems like it seems like it's gonna come out. I just gotta push this two little knot over here. See? I can pull it out. Doesn't want to come out. It's giving me the hard time trying to get this little. I don't want to break if I don't have to, Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stick my finger over here and If I could get this thing off, it's coming out. No, it's gonna come out. I don't think there's any other screw. I don't see anything there. It's just that one there holding up. See, I don't see anything else. There you go. Pop right out. Let's see now how we what's going on with this one over here. Well, guys, you guys see anything? I don't see really. I don't see. Well, you know what? Let me get my flashlight and over here, guys. You see over here, there's something burn over here, like it fade out. Maybe this was all the problem too. Over here, look. See this area over here? Hold on, let me go get my flashlight and you guys could see better. I don't have enough light over here. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I got my little flashlight over here. Maybe we could see it right over there. If you see it right there, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's kind of burned down, fade out right there. And other than that, I don't see anything. Got that little black spot there. I'm looking real good. If I see any sign of it, I don't see any. I think, nothing wrong with this board over here. Just that piece there. Maybe I could order, and that's where that transistor, I guess they call it. In this case over here. You see that right there? It's called it's 2S. I think you could order the kit. I'm gonna try to go online and see if I could go there, because I replace it anyway. I could, and that's where basically it's not. It's over here. That's something else over here. This is over here. This has got something to do with the capacitor. It's two different things. See this wire? That's where it's connect the wire to the capacitor. See? See that wire coming out of there? The red wire coming out of there over here to the capacitor, and this is a big capacitor in the back there. So the transistor there, this one over here, here, and it's fine the other side. Let me see where those two legs goes. That's it. It goes over here. It goes over here and over here. I don't see any sign of burning. These two over here. This is the kit that they sell. Cause sometimes that thing break, burn out. But you know what? I'm gonna keep this. Cause I don't really see anything. Really, I think in this case, I think the motor was like, yeah, because you could see I got the motor over here. I'm gonna show you, see if I heard that noise. That motor shot, definitely. That was causing all the problem there. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put this thing back on the way it was. Wires goes over here someplace. Then